Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word generalizations. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Making sweeping generalizations about a group of people based on stereotypes is unfair and discriminatory. Generalizations refer to broadly applying characteristics or behaviors to a whole group based on limited information, often resulting in oversimplified or unfair assumptions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.